Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play with your friends on Microsoft Flight Simulator. Open the world map, sign into Xbox Live, enable multiplayer, and invite friends by name or party link so you share the same session. Choose live weather and traffic to sync conditions, pick complementary aircraft, and set roles like lead and wingman. Communicate via chat or voice, brief your plan, and launch together for a smoother co-op flight. Start by creating a group or inviting friends directly through the Xbox Live overlay inside the sim. Match your flight settings like weather, time, and traffic so everyone sees the same environment. Use the in-game filters to find friend-created multiplayer sessions and set the aircraft and weight options to avoid big performance gaps. If someone has connectivity issues, try lowering traffic density, disabling live players, or having them restart the sim before rejoining. Good communication makes group flights safer and more fun, so agree on radio procedures and brief waypoints before taxi. Use the headset or Discord for real-time coordination, and swap to external camera views to teach procedures without interrupting controls. Practice basic formation positions, rendezvous timings, and ILS approaches together to build trust and predictability. Debrief after flights to discuss improvements, share replay clips, and plan the next mission. Rotate roles every flight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.